Is that what your Cadillac does? The hatch goes up, comes down, hits you on the head. Well, it's time to get it fixed. There you go. I got a stick in there. It's not gonna come down on my head. And I got it in the bottom. The driver's side is just a motor. It's the electric that pushes it up and down. But this is the culprit that causes the problem because it's worn out. So I need a screwdriver here. And I go, whoa, that came off. And there's another one on the other side. And it's off. That's how easy that is. So here I've got a new one. Let's shake this out of the bag. There's the little clip that I was popping off with the screwdriver. So let's see if I can get this on here with and there it is there. And I just push. I don't even need the screwdriver to put it on. And well, that's just brilliant. So now the new one is so good that I can't even get it compressed. Oh, great. It says it cannot be compressed by hand. Yeah, that's true. So now I have to figure out how to compress this. I'm just not sure that I can get the lid of the hatch back open far enough. Before I throw this one out, let's see why the old one doesn't work. So here I'm pushing downwards to the ground. Absolutely nothing. And look at that. I'm hanging onto it with my foot. Man, nothing. No wonder it didn't hold it up. Okay, to get it to open, you might actually need two people. But I pushed the button and it released the pressure. It allowed me to raise it up. But now I'm trying to reach it with my arm to get the top end is in. I just need to get the bottom end in there. And we'll see if I can reach it. I gotta set the camera down. So the first thing is put the bottom in, and then I had my left arm here. I'm just barely tall enough to push up right on this spot. So then the long stick that I had fell out, and I could just push up enough to get it so that I could pop in the top piece. And it worked. It doesn't take much. You just got to push about half an inch or a quarter of an inch. And you don't have to use a screwdriver to release the clips, putting it in. They pop in. But you must use a screwdriver to open the clips up a little bit so you can get it apart. So it's not going to pop open. Now let's see if it works. There you go, stays up. I'm happy. And that was a little more awkward than I actually expected it was going to be. Thanks for watching.